Assalamualaikum everyone. Today our topic is how to convert Amazon listing from FBA to FBM and from FBM to FBA. Okay, so most of the sellers have a question about how to convert existing listing from FBA to FBM or FBM to FBA. So I will share here few my experiences from how to convert your listing from any of FBM to FBA or FBA to FBM. So first of all, you will see the dashboard of your Amazon Seller Central. Then click on three lines here. Then click on Manage Inventory. Here you will see your own listing, which you want to convert from FBA to FBM or FBM to FBA. So if you have a listing as is in FBA, so you want to convert from FBA to FBM. So simply click on here. Simply click here, and then you will see this point. Okay, so this one will be when you click on is change to fulfilled by merchant. Okay, when you will click on it here, then your listing will be you will see this dashboard. Okay, FBA to merchant. Okay, fulfillment method, your fulfillment method will be FBA to merchant. Okay, if you want to convert from your listing is in merchant, so you want to convert from FBA, so simply click on same process, and then you will see here is merchant, and then will be converted to FBA. So process will be same from merchant to FBA and FBA to merchant. So simply you will follow this process is simple, and then click on done, and after 10 to 15 minutes you will see that these changes will be done and you will sell which you want. Okay, so this video is only a very simple, and some of seller have a question, so that's why I will make this video. So I hope you will enjoy this video, and if you have a question, so comment below. Thank you so much.